Okay, we are in Faisalabad city and we want to drink some chai. Okay, chai? Chai? Okay. So, do chai? Do chai? Yes, okay. So, alright. Okay, they have. Yes. So, we stay in a small shop, tea shop, and we asked for 2 chai. Okay, we'll make 2 do chai. Alright, okay. So this is how they make the chai. This is how they make the chai. Oh, that's good. Okay, shukriya. Shukriya. Okay, we'll try chai. These are the street food chai. Good. Acha. Oh, yes. Good. Good, huh? Good one. Good. Yes, okay. We'll go there. Isn't there? Maybe they are ready. We're ready. We'll try. Welcome, huh? Maybe ready. So, and my friend need to buy gloves for cricket gloves. So we are in another sport item shop. You will see.
Where are you from? Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka. That's for tennis ball. Oh, tennis ball. They have gloves, no?
Yeah.
For the cricket.
Yes.
It's for cricket.
Yes.
Ah, nice.
Last time I bought from the other side.
So they have softball cricket gloves. So softball cricket gloves. We don't have in Sri Lanka. Softball no gloves. Only for leather ball only, no softball. We ask original cricket gloves, batting gloves, right? Original batting gloves. What's the difference? Hurry, oh, yes, yes. Hurry? Ah, no, right. Mami ko pedilan. Okay. Shukriya. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Not there? Okay, we'll go up. Right. Okay.
This one. That one there, the red color one.
For high quality,
This is
good quality. Right now, very purchase.
left hand. No,
Lefty है ना?
no. This is right hand.
Righty है?
This right, na? Same, left.
Yes.
Other hand. So we need left hand. कहाँ लाना है? हाँ, left. No. Ah, that is right. Left side. Okay, good. Oh, Shah. Super shot, huh? Good shot.
Super shot.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, give eighth discount.
Yes,
Discount, eighth discount. Okay.
5200 only.
52.
He told 50.
Same no. Same no.
5
No, you told 500. 5,000.
5000 लाओ मैं डालता हूँ.
No.
ठीक है.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
शुक्रिया. Bye. Eid Mubarak. Okay. We'll go for a phone. Done. We purchased cricket gloves. Okay, we purchased cricket gloves. Phone, please, no? They are there. So we want to change phone. So I want to change the phone tempered glass and the cover. Hello. Hello, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, good. You are the same.
Template. Last time some damage. You do.
What? Yeah, same. Cover okay. Thank you. Okay, good. So I changed my tempered glass and the cover board. How much? Okay, now. So I changed the cover with a new bed cover. Okay, thank you. Eid Mubarak. Eid Mubarak. Bye, thanks. Okay. Faisalabad phone shop. This is the phone shop area. So we can buy any used or new phones. So when you go, you can see there are hundreds of phone shops. Many phone shops all of the area. You can see. This is the payment area in Kachiri Bazaar. You can see there are a lot of phone shops. We came to purchase some padlock. There's a small shop in Kachiri Bazaar.
तीन इधर लास्ट प्राइस इधर वाला 500
What's the price? Okay, we'll give. Owner.
Oh, तीन ना